and thank you to all of our new subscribers. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Creativity Castle. My name is Sauerpuss. Each week, we bring to you a new Sauerpuss creativity exercise on Friday at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I hope you can join us each week for a new and exciting episode from me, Sauerpuss. And if you like this video, remember to give us a thumbs up.
Remember to subscribe to our channel. It's time again to be creative.
That could only mean one thing.
Oh boy!
It's Squiggle Time.
Yay! We love Squiggle Time!
For today's exercise, we are going to do a squiggle drawing. Hey, Squigs! Squigs helps us to use our imaginations to see things that we normally wouldn't see. And for this Squiggle Time, we will be using clouds to inspire ideas to draw. I love to use my imagination and look at the clouds and see what pictures I can see. To help us decide which clouds to use, I need you to count to 3 and then say squiggle. As you start to see clouds, I need you to shout stop. And those will be the clouds that we'll use for this Squiggle Time drawing. Penny and the pencils are going to help.
1, 2, 3, squiggle!
Oh boy! Now it's time to use our imaginations to see what we can see in this squiggle cloud. At this point, if you'd like to squiggle along with me, you can first download this squiggle cloud from our website. In the Squiggle Time section, go to our website today and register for free. There you will find all sorts of fun activities. Or you can simply enjoy watching me as I draw different ideas from this cloud. Let's look at this cloud in different ways. What do you see in the cloud? If you'd like, you can pause this video and draw what you see. I will look at this cloud in different ways and show you what I see in the clouds. I will draw my first squiggle cloud drawing looking at the clouds this way. Let's see. That's right, Squigs. Squiggle Time is a great exercise for our imaginations. For this exercise, I will be using a black marker to complete each squiggle cloud drawing. If you're ready, let's begin. What do I see in this cloud? Oh, I have an idea. See if you can guess what I am drawing. I love Squiggle Time. Very often, as I do squiggle drawings, I often come up with imaginative characters and ideas. As you can probably tell by now, I am drawing some sort of creature. When I look at the clouds, I look at both the light and the dark areas, and I try to see what I can make using my imagination and the shapes from these clouds. It looks like this creature has a very long nose. I I like drawing all sorts of creative creatures. And sometimes when I draw, using the clouds as inspiration, I try to take my time as I am figuring out what I should draw. This is such a fun exercise because I can always make all sorts of copies of the clouds and draw all sorts of different ideas. If you like to work on your computer or digital device, this is also a fun and easy exercise to do there. I wanted to make this creature look a little silly, so I added all sorts of shaggy hair. What a fun little creature! I don't think I could ever have come up with such an interesting character without the inspiration of the clouds.
What a creative idea!
And sometimes, after I draw my characters, I like to give them fun names. I think I'll call this little guy Nasally. Okay, let's come up with another idea. By simply rotating this cloud image, we can come up with all sorts of new ideas. From this perspective, I see some sort of magical wizard character. Take a look and see what I see. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. And what's a wizard without a long beard? Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. I always find it amazing at how many new ideas that I can come up with simply by looking into the clouds. And if you are drawing over your cloud image that you've printed out, it's always okay to draw beyond the cloud image if it helps with drawing your idea. And I think I will draw this wizard a big floppy hat. And why don't I also put some stars on it? I always enjoy to allow the random shapes of the clouds to inspire my drawing. And there are sometimes when I'm drawing my Squiggle Cloud ideas that I have to make up parts of the drawing. Drawing the wizard's hand is an example of this. And let's draw a little magic to complete this drawing. And here we have our second squiggle drawing. It sounds like Squigs wants us to do yet another drawing. Okay, let's try turning our paper another way. Oh, and I have an idea right away.
Can you give us a hint?
Sure, Penny. About a month ago, I drew a whole bunch of these animals, but they were realistic. Doo-doo-doo, 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 doo-doo-doo.
I see something! Oh, me too!
That's right. It looks like we're drawing some kind of puppy dog. And remember, if you haven't, to subscribe to our channel today. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. It kind of looks like this little puppy dog is standing up and playing. Perhaps he's playing basketball. And these clouds here looks like his legs. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. I love to draw.
What a cute drawing!
Why, thank you, Penny. And here we have our silly little dog playing ball.
That looks really good, Sauerpuss! Way to go!
And just for fun, let's turn our paper one more time and see what else we could come up with. have also found that using inspiration found in the clouds is a great way to get ideas for new character designs. And clouds always give me a unique and different perspective. It all depends how you look at them. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Hoo-hoo. This looks like a friendly, whimsical character. I will call him Patches. Hoo-hoo-hoo. And here we have our final Squiggle Cloud drawing for today. Hoo-hoo-hoo. I always find it amazing how many ideas we can come up with from one cloud image. This and a little imagination. So, whenever you're looking for new ideas to draw, simply look to the clouds.
Oh boy, what fun!
I sure hope you've enjoyed this Squiggle Time activity. See you next time, and remember to
Be
And remember to get today's cloud image to create your own squiggle drawing. Go to our website at sourpussandfriends.com. There, go to the Squiggle Time section. Register today for free.
See you